What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing a bike check on the brand new Glory Advanced just behind me. Legends edition frame set that we are running at the moment. Yeah, just released a few weeks ago. Long time in the making for Giant, and yeah, this rig rips and she's an absolute beauty. So I'll take you through some of the parts and specs that we run on this rig. So we have Fox suspension, Pro seat post, bars and stem. Maxxis tyres, best in the business. Got this Sagai up front, DHR on the rear, Shimano Saint, cranks derailleur, brakes, love the Saints, XTR on the trail bike, but I prefer the Saints over the XTR on the downhill. We have HT pedals. Really love these pedals. Sort of like you get almost like a wall before you unclip instead of it sort of just giving way. So lots of support, and I never blow my feet anymore. I'm running organic pads as well on the Saints. I prefer them when it's dry. When it gets wet, some metallics. Yeah, what else can I say? ODI grips, figure out what they're called. What else have we got here? Take you through some of the adjustments that you can do on the bike. So it has a 3-position flip ship on the rear. I'm running the mid at the moment. It also has a low and high. Play around with that's pretty cool. We have the short and long in the rear as well that you can play with, and then a 3-position headset cup as well. I'm running the plus 5mm offset at the moment. So yeah, cool, be able to play around with that and get your setup just how you like it. We also have Cush Core on board as well on the team, and I run the downhill insert in the rear and no insert in the front. So as far as suspension setup goes, I'm running a 450 coil on the rear. We have 5 tokens in the fork and 86 psi. So yeah, she's pretty butter. And this is the frame size small medium. I also have a medium large to try as well once I'm back on the bike. So looking forward to jumping on that thing, and yeah, hopefully about a week and a half and I should be back on the downhill bike. So riding around on the road at the moment, and yeah, trying to get the strength back in the gym, and yeah, really looking forward to trying to get some good results at the end of this season, and yeah, get back on the bike and back doing what I love. And this bike is a mullet setup as well, so yeah, love the mullet setup, suits my style quite a lot, so I've been running that for quite a while now. So yeah, if any of you guys are interested in one of these rigs, the Legends Edition frame set is available to purchase, and there is also a full bike available, which is black and white on the Giant website. So yeah, check that out and have a scope. I'm also running 48mm offset crowns, and yeah, would you just look at this rig? What a beauty! Stem length on the Pro stem here, I'm running 45mm. And last but not least, we're running the MRP bash guard and chain guide. Alrighty guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed having a closer look at the all new Glory Advanced Legends Edition. Yeah, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.